So what is Power Query? So Power Query is an ETL tool. As I told you, ETL tool means extract, transform, and load. So Power BI has its inbuilt function like a Power Query. That means Power BI does not have to take any external ETL process, support of external ETL process, because it has its own Power Query, that is Power Query editor. You know that once you are connected with the data, you need to clean it up, and after that you need to load that data. That means transform that data, right? So that's where this Power Query editor comes into the picture. You can simply connect with the Power Query by just clicking over here the get data by access that data. But if you don't want to do this, then another option is transform data. By clicking only on this, hitting this button, transform the data, the Power Query editor will pop up. If you are using the previous version of Power BI, there will you will find the added data, right? So you just need to click over there. So let's get the tour of Power Query editor. This I'm just hitting this transform data. Let's see what will happen. See, the Power Query editor window has been popped up, right? See. I do not want to this work with this file, so let me delete this group. So I'm just giving you intro of this Power Query editor. We are going to use it a lot, but for now I'm just giving you intro. So let's clear out our concepts so we can work in a better way. See, let me minimize it. So at the back, you can see this is your Power BI desktop and this is your Power Query editor. As I told you, it's a subset or the part it supports our BI systems to clean up the data. So we cannot say it's a backend, but we can say it's an area where you clean your data. Okay, so whatever the operation which you need to perform, that can be performed in Power Query editor itself. See guys, sometimes what happened in the real time, if you connect with the data and it is sometimes you do not have access to visit the source and get the file and clean it up and then import into the Power BI. So at that time also the Power Query editor helps you a lot, because once you upload the data, load the data into this BI system, and once you clicked on the transform and this Power Query editor will pop up, open up, and all data will come over here, so you can do the clean or the scrubbing of your data over here, right? So let me tell you, this is a very important thing under the Power BI, right? So guys, apart from this cleaning and this scrubbing part, so the main thing of this is whenever you are doing some changes in your data, like in your sheet, so in your records, so those steps are going to record it. So that will be the benefit for us, because these steps will recording under the changes, you know, that steps, follow steps on the right hand side. So the steps can help you see that where you did the mistake or what should be done after that the steps. So this is a very biggest benefit of this Power Query editor. So everything about the Power Query, we are going to use it practically. So do not get confused. This is only the introduction part of the Power Query editor. So we have a lot of functions are over here under the Home tab, Transform tab, Add column, Views, Tools. Under the Help, so many things are here, and everything we are going to use in our project. So now we'll meet in the next session.